The good smell of the water.
Okay. 4-person. Team USA. Please sit over here.
Team USA.
Go on, get in then.
And the other member, please.
Full rank on us, go on, alright, okay.
Yes, Team USA. 4-person. Thank you.
So you here by yourself?
Yeah, hello.
From where?
Oh, good. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Japan.
I'm sorry?
Japan.
Oh, Japan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Away from America and Korea.
South Korea.
Went to Japan for the first time last year. Loved it. What part of Japan?
Tokyo.
That's where we went.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Just a few minutes to say some instruction. And to say for now, let's go to Ha Long Bay! Thank you very much for choosing us in your holiday. We wish we enjoy the trip and have a good time together. My name is Ben, one of two tour guides on the boat. We take you to discover a beautiful Ha Long Bay. Welcome team. Yes, you might enjoy them, okay? And when we get through, we follow the direction of the arrow, tell you how to go around
Dad, pay
and
attention
get
to
good
that.
food. We wish you today good time in Ha Long Bay, good time on the boat together. We'd like to say, everybody, thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you. Now I guess everybody is hungry, so please come over and start a big lunch ever.
Yeah! Yeah. Look at, you can read it right there. You want that one. Here, give me some of that. Give me some of that cream.
Yeah, they do have like eggs and cucumber and a carrot.
Well, I'm gonna just do this. It's stir-fried noodle with vegetable and sautéed green vegetables with garlic. What flavor is that? Just looks good. Hey, Mom, it's very slippery.
There's a countryside to Tokyo.
Well, yeah, like every city, it's probably on the outskirts. Yeah, but you should. Well, because it's raining. Oh, yeah? Hey, Dad, hold on, it's slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, he's driving right there? Just stand in front of him. Just stand in front of him.
Hercules luxury.
What do you say?
Oh, it's a Hercules look. Yeah, but could you imagine going up the tippy top?
Yeah, I can imagine because I'm gonna.
You are?
Why
We
not?
gotta do a panoramic with rocks in the background.
Rocks?
They look like just big rocks.
Are we going there? Huh?
Come here. Come here.
Come here.
Let's just enjoy.
Wow, that'd be really great if it is a sunnier, but still.
It's
Still.
good.
Still, it's good.
It's good.
That's funny.
Oh, move, move, move. We're in the way.
Oh, in the way?
He's got to drive.
Oh. Well, you don't get in? In the?
Alright,
You
yeah.
wanna go up?
Oh, wow, they have a pool up there. Hey, man, want to take a dip?
No, don't tell me there's a pool.
Well, it's like a little hot tub. I don't know if it's. Yeah,
Where?
right there.
Oh.
Wow. It's fun just waving to other boats.
Yeah.
Mom,
Oh yeah.
So you're in front of the mountain.
Yeah.
the mountain.
Maybe there. You cold?
My,
The buoy. I don't know how they're gonna come, but
I want the hood down.
Oh wait, we do have, what is it called?
Hot tub.
Yeah. Is it hot?
Oh my god, that's so cold.
Is it?
It's like not even heated.
Oh.
Oh my, look, they got like a shower. Well, look at this.
well, I thought that's for the water to fill up.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
But that's a huge tire.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at the view.
Part of before you get really out there.
So we are going to a certain island and then see and then come back and go to the cave. That's our
Look at that
schedule
little area
is.
there. The sand.
Ooh.
We have 3 stops.
Yeah. First one, T-Top Island. Second one, cave. The third one is the most beautiful cave, she said.
The first one is the boat? Or the second
Oh.
one's the boat? I don't remember.
The first one was a T-Top Island.
I don't know.
The second one is
that
one
T-Top?
was T-Top. T-Top.
Beep, beep, beep.
T-Top. Hey, this view. Wow.
Yeah. I can just see it now. There's a dragon just.
Dragon.
How long? So it's not long.
Long.
It's
It's a
like
long.
long.
Oh, long.
Long. How
Like you're
long?
long.
I don't know if it's not. Doesn't sound like you're saying long. Like how long? I don't know. But it means dragon.
What's that sound?
It's a
Oh,
boat.
just a motors. Well, I thought someone just made a dragon sound.
Oh, it is.
Ooh. Oh, that's our first stop, I guess. Because everyone is.
Maybe.
Yeah, it
Yeah, it
looks
looks like we're
going
turning
to-
there.
Yeah.
You want to go down?
Mm-hmm. Hey, this is pretty cool.
We didn't hear anything.
Yeah. We made an announcement. So
When? I didn't hear.
There's no announcement in the third.
I know Mom went to the bathroom, so she probably missed it too. Did he find you?
She's in the
They
bathroom.
set up the search party. He's like, "Where's your family?" I don't have any idea where they
I was in the bathroom.
So I texted you, but so there's 3 steps to the island. The first step is the lower,
Yeah. Second.
and I forget it's like 100, whatever. And then you can go to the second level, which is another 200 steps. He recommends you go there to see how you feel. And then you can go to the third, which is another 200 if you want. But we have to be back here by 1:55.
One.
So 44
Put
minutes.
my alarm on.
Oh,
Put your alarm on.
we're halfway there. Well, you want the picture? Picture? Yeah. You get it. You get the better.
Can you take 2 or 3 pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah. I will take a bunch. I'll take a bunch. 1, 2, 3. You can't. My brother's so Ah. Look at me. Okay, why don't we look
What, this way?
look around.
Look
Ooh,
around.
what about doing this? Ooh, it's good. Good.
Good. It was quite the hike.
See the view? Oh, wow.
Let's try to go where there's an actual view.
Well, just keep going.
Yeah, here.
Smile. Yeah.
Right here.
Ooh. Okay, 3, 2. Can you press one more time?
Perfect.
Wow. I want to take a video. Okay. Give me a second. Where is the video?
Breathe. We made it to the top.
Wow. That's a good view. Ah.
Let's get it.
Wow.
Just look at
Maybe I
that.
can take a picture like this.
Oh.
Well, it's a good
That's
view.
good.
I think she can take a good picture. That's good.
That looks great.
Thank
you so much.
I can take more. Oh, you want to take a picture? Sure. Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a pretty good view.
Can you see the Indian guy? He's supposed to be swim in the water.
Yeah, well, maybe at the other spot.
I think it's a good view.
I'm gonna need a panorama.
Yeah. Take a selfie for me. 1, 2.
How was the hike? Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Behind you. Behind you.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. How was it?
He's focusing.
I did it. Yay.
All right, is there a bathroom?
Well, there's one on the ship.
Yeah, on the boat.
We got 5 minutes.
Oh, we do?
5 minutes.
Wow, that was 15 minutes.
Touch the sand.
Yeah, we'll go touch the sand. We gotta go to the boat. I gotta change the battery.
But it will cancel just because.
But maybe people look at the forecast and say, oh yeah, the sunny out. Because we're not going to be here, so we make the best of it.
Yeah. Well, we can come back for the sunny day later. Yeah. Only for this part, like not a whole tour, but you know, just like for
Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
Yeah, but if I would do that, I would sit on the beach all day.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that view. Where are we going?
Up.
Oh, we're going forward.
Are we?
Oh, yeah. I made a picture of this. Wow. What a view.
What a view. Is it good?
Yeah.
Just stay.
It's really pretty.
Oh, I'm sorry, my hands are wet. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Fury bar.
Hey, can we sit for the music?
Here?
Isn't that where it is? It's right here.
I think it's the first one.
Oh, that's what they said. Live music. That's what she's playing right now.
You want to sit here?
Well, I'm gonna go tell my parents. Do you want to come up? You want to go get them? Yeah.
Coming to get the jackets.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm coming to see if you want to go listen to the music.
Is it going?
Just chatting.
Yeah. Why don't?
Do you have a couch?
No.
The live music is now upstairs
Okay.
with a beautiful artist.
You gonna
Yeah.
dance? You gonna do that?
Soon,
After
after some beer.
After some beer. When you see the dragons.
There you go. Oh yeah, you got it. Woo!
Right.